Ben Carson. Why would you align yourself with that?
Well, you know, you have to look at the good and the bad. There is no perfect person.
No, I know that.
But you know, you look at when Donald Trump first went down to Palm Beach area, and you know, a lot of the clubs down there would not accept Jews and blacks. He insisted on Jews and blacks and helped to break that open.
We tried Obama, right? Time for a change, so we got to change. So now let's try something new.
Right.
Let's run America like a business,
yeah.
where no colors matters. Everybody, whoever could do the job gets the job.
Mm-hmm. So you're endorsing Trump, essentially?
I would, yeah.
Yeah.
I like Trump, yeah.
Trump is racist. Why would us black people vote for somebody who clearly doesn't like black people?
Man, black people are more racist toward black people than anybody in the world. With the desire, with the intentions, with the purpose, and the goal of hurting other black people like young black males. Our biggest threat in America is another black man. It ain't a racist white man. It ain't a racist cop. And that's for every black male. You're more likely to be killed by another black male who don't like you.
If you're not ready to take responsibility or hear the truth, then this video isn't for you. What Charleston White says at the end is going to hit a lot of people. I like that voices like his are starting to come out of the black community because we really need them. We need the truth. We need people who will make us think about what's really going on in our community. When Kanye West talks about these things, people call him crazy and say he's not the right person to talk about it. He's been saying this for a long time, but the black community keeps giving him the same response. Candace Owens says similar things, and people call her a puppet for Trump. Many others who try to talk about these issues get the same treatment. The real problem is that we, as black people, don't see that the issue is within ourselves. Think about Donald Trump. Before he ran for president, no one called him a racist. People like Oprah and other well-known black figures used to hang out with him, and nobody had a problem with him. But when he ran as a Republican, everything changed. Democrats made us believe they were for black people, and that's when the hate for Trump started. They managed to label him a racist, and we bought into it. But Charleston White is right.
Why would you vote for a racist? Trump is racist. Why would us black people vote for somebody who clearly doesn't like black people?
What you mean you don't like black people? I was born in the 80s. I remember he was hanging out with black people. I remember in the 2000s, he was real cool with the black rappers. 50 Cent, G-Unit, John Wayne, Snoop Dogg. All these people just with him in the 2000s. They were standing in the hotel, Trump Tower, rapping about it, Rick Ross, Diddy. So, how you don't like black people? He's known for dating black girls. He's known for dating black girls. How can you love killing? How can you love these gangsters and these rappers that promote killing us? How can you love them when Trump don't do it? How you know you're racist? Racism is action. Maybe he's prejudiced. We're all prejudiced. We're all prejudiced. But how can you love rap music? How can you love Dirt? How can you love King Von and not love Trump? That doesn't make sense to me. So that's what I mean about only black people are oxymorons. A racist, man, black people are more racist toward black people than anybody in the world. With the desire, with the intentions, with the purpose, and the goal of hurting other black people like young black males. Our biggest threat in America is another black man. It ain't a racist white man. It ain't a racist cop. And that's for every black male. You're more likely to be killed by another black male who don't like you.